People love to eat. People love convenience. These two facts have led to a boom in food delivery. Ordering in is easy. Open an app, tap a few buttons, and food arrives at your door. No need to cook or even leave the house. This demand for delivery creates challenges. Restaurants need ways to get food to people quickly. They need to manage many orders at once. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game. AI is making food delivery smarter and more efficient. AI systems can analyze data such as traffic conditions and delivery routes. They use this information to find the fastest way to get food to customers. This means shorter wait times, hotter, fresher food. AI can also help restaurants manage orders more smoothly. It can predict how much food to prepare at different times of day. This reduces food waste, saving restaurants money. Have you ever wondered how an app recommends dishes you might like? That's AI at work too. Machine learning is a type of AI that improves with experience. In food delivery, it learns your tastes and preferences over time. The more you order, the better it understands what you enjoy. This leads to more personalized recommendations. You discover new favorites without having to search endlessly. Section 4. New delivery drivers. Robots and drones are becoming a reality in food delivery. Self-driving cars and delivery robots navigate streets, bringing food to your doorstep. Drones take to the skies, especially useful in congested urban areas. These technologies offer several advantages. They reduce the need for human drivers, cutting down on labor costs. Robots and drones don't get stuck in traffic, ensuring faster delivery. They can also operate 24/7, expanding delivery hours. Section 5. Conclusion, food for thought. AI is revolutionizing how we order and receive food. From optimizing delivery routes to predicting our cravings, AI is making the experience faster, smoother, and more personalized. While challenges remain, the future of food delivery is exciting. However, there are questions to consider. What happens to delivery drivers as automation increases? How do we ensure data privacy and prevent misuse of personal information? These are important discussions to have as AI takes on a larger role in our lives.